In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an envelope using Docusign Esignature. Whether you're sending contracts, agreements, or any paperwork that needs an electronic signature, Docusign makes the process streamlined and efficient. Let's walk through the steps together, making sure you're comfortable with each one. Firstly, head over to the Docusign website by opening your web browser. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login button on the home page, which usually sits prominently at the top right corner of the screen. Click it and go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is essentially your hub for managing envelopes, templates, and anything else related to your electronic document needs. Now, once you're on the homepage, your next step is to select a template. A template essentially acts as a kind of document blueprint, letting you standardize your envelopes for different kinds of documents or agreements. This saves you a lot of repetitive work if you're sending similar types of documents regularly. Once you've chosen your template, find and click the Add Recipients button. This is crucial because it allows you to specify who will receive and sign the document. Simply enter the recipient's email address and any other necessary details to ensure they can access the envelope. Remember, accuracy here is key. Double check emails to avoid sending sensitive documents to the wrong person. With recipients added, the next logical step is to add a personalized message. Click on the Add Message option to do this. A tailored message can provide context for the envelope, such as what the document is about, why their signature is needed, or any deadlines they should be aware of. Crafting a thoughtful message can improve clarity and avoid any potential confusion for your recipients. Once your message is set, click Next. You'll be guided to a final review screen, allowing you to make sure everything is in place, recipient's details, the right template, and your message. This is your opportunity to catch any last-minute issues before proceeding. Now that you're ready to move forward, click Next again to proceed to the sending stage. Do a quick final check to ensure that the correct recipients and the template are selected, and then you'll be ready to hit Send. With that simple click, your envelope is on its way to getting signed. Successfully sending a document through Docusign is all about attention to detail and following these steps closely. It may seem a bit intricate at first, but with each use, you'll become more adept. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of modern document signing, and happy DocuSigning.